Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make these Caprese salad appetizers. So these are really, really easy to make, and the secret to getting them to stand up is you want to take your cherry tomatoes and you want to cut them in half so that they have a flat side. And then you want to put one of those flat sides on the bottom. But basically, this is just the ingredients of a Caprese salad. So a little slice of mozzarella, a piece of basil, and some tomatoes, and you can do them in whatever order you want as long as you have a tomato on the bottom. And this is really great for like a party appetizer, a party snack, that kind of thing. We did these, I want to say, at my sister-in-law's baby shower, and they were a really big hit. They're just really easy, and they're fresh and summery, springy. It's a really great fresh appetizer to have. And if you want to, you could finish these off with a little pinch of salt and pepper and some balsamic glaze. That would just really like amp up the flavor and make it really, really good. And this is really easy because there's no cooking. There's not really much cutting other than like cutting the mozzarella up into smaller pieces and cutting the tomatoes in half. And it's also pretty inexpensive. Mozzarella is going to be probably the most expensive ingredient, but you can sometimes find it on sale for $3 or $4 for a package. And then the cherry tomatoes are a couple dollars, and a package of basil is a couple dollars as well. So, it's a really great appetizer for under $10. And it's so simple to make. But yeah, that's it. I mean, like, this is just a really simple video, and it's a really great appetizer idea. So, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see more recipes like these, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. We like to do really simple and easy recipes that taste really good. We also like to do stuff that, if you haven't done much cooking before, that you'll be able to accomplish, and things that don't require a lot of special machines, special ingredients, like special like pots and pans. You know, we're doing just basic stuff that's like simple, easy, and delicious, and also most of the time has a southern twist because we're from the South. But yeah, you should definitely check out Loaves and Dishes, and if you make these appetizers, let us know. We'd love to hear about it. But that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.